we're graziers, but we're really environmentalists. If we don't look after the country, it don't look after you. Gilberton is roughly 88,000 acres. We run beef cattle. We're not greenies, but we do love nature. But I think it's just the way you've grown up and you just love the environment around you and the birds and the bees and the lizards and everything else that comes with it. We did our first nature refuge in 2005 around one little spring, which was about 800 acres. And then in 2012 we did another one where we fenced off another main water contributor to the Gilbert River. And now we've just done the whole station as a nature refuge. The projects that we've done here on Gilberton over the last, since 2005 with the nature refuge are things that we wouldn't have been able to do for another 30 years simply because we couldn't afford it. So it's given us funding to pursue what we wanted to do to turn Gilberton into a drought-proof place, and at the same time we're looking after the country as we always have. I think if there was more investment from government side into nature refuge, I believe that through education between government and landholders, there would be more landholders that would go for it.